Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on auto rotate screen on Oppo phone. Friends, you want to on guys your Oppo phone auto rotate screen, so now how to on and use auto rotate screen on Oppo phone. In this video friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to on auto rotate screen. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on display and brightness setting. After on friends, display and brightness friends, you can see light mode, dark mode, auto brightness. Friends, you want to on auto brightness, you can on. After on web friends, your phone brightness will increase and decrease automatic. When you will go outside, when you will come inside, brightness will decrease and increase according to your environment friends. So as I will increase friends, eye comfort mode you want to on, so you can on friends your eye comfort mode, and you can set your schedule time. Friends, auto rotate guys, we will tap here to on. After on guys, how to use. Friends, click on your YouTube app, and friends you want to rotate your screen. Friends, you can rotate your screen auto, and friends you can use your auto rotate screen on your Oppo phone device guys. So we call it auto rotate. After on friends, you can use auto rotate screen. And when you will use any another app, example guys we will on Google, and friends you want to rotate screen, you can rotate friends, and friends you can use your auto rotate screen like that on your Oppo phone device guys. And friends you don't want to use, so friends again click on phone setting friends, brightness setting. After of friends auto rotate friends, your screen will not rotate on your device. You can check friends, screen will not rotate. So like that friends, we can on and use auto rotate setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye friends.